Before we start the video, make sure you check the description to join our giveaways.
Ethereum, close by Bitcoin and Dogecoin, is one of those digital forms of money that are notable even beyond the crypto local area. What's more, it is understandably, Ethereum is one of the most component-rich and fascinating blockchains out there. Other than being an unimaginably inventive innovation, Ethereum is likewise an extraordinary resource for venture. Not at all like little altcoins, it has to a lesser extent an opportunity to fail spectacularly. However, it actually can possibly moon and bring its financial backers galactic benefits. In this video, we will endeavor to gauge how Ethereum's cost might act from here on out. If it's not too much trouble, recall that because of the unusual and unpredictable nature of the digital money market, all crypto value expectations ought to be accepted with some hesitancy. This video doesn't comprise venture exhortation. What is Ethereum? The most effective way to improve as a financial backer and increment your benefit is to dive deeper into the resource you're working with. While cryptographic money costs, in contrast to those of conventional resources, like stocks, are more speculative in nature and depend much less on their characteristic worth, they actually depend somehow or another on what the coin, token can and should have the option to do. For instance, digital currencies like Polkadot might see a flood in cost if their capacity to give blockchain interoperability unexpectedly turns out to be particularly popular. As a well-known and famous cryptographic money, Ethereum and its usefulness aren't precisely covered in secret. A great many people have caught wind of its association with shrewd agreements, NFTs, and DeFi. Nonetheless, that is not entirely there is to that coin, since Ether brings considerably more to the table. Ethereum was sent off back in 2015 and is popular for being a decentralized and open-source confirmation of work blockchain with brilliant agreements usefulness. Dissimilar to Bitcoin, Ethereum has an uncapped stockpile. Quite possibly of the greatest test that Ethereum needs to defeat soon as its always rising exchange charges, or, as they required this specific organization, gas expenses. The more individuals use Ethereum, the higher those gas charges become, making the coin's developing famous situation with two sides. Increasingly more digital forms of money with comparative functionalities yet less expensive exchange costs and higher throughput, Solana, SOL, keep on arising. Notwithstanding, the execution and send-off of the merge will probably turn what is happening near and address at any rate a portion of these issues. Ethereum functionality. One of Ethereum's greatest assets is its assortment of purpose cases, and the rundown continues to develop consistently. However long the coin's group keeps on fostering the blockchain and present new inventive elements, Ethereum will probably proceed to develop and thrive. Ethereum Price Prediction 2022. As per the specialized examination of Ethereum costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Ethereum will be $1,867.07. The most extreme level that the ETH cost can reach is $2,079.20. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $1,952.15. ETH price forecast for September 2022. In light of the value changes of Ethereum toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical ETH pace of $1,786.66 in September 2022. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at $1,616.51 and at $1,837.71, individually. October 2022, Ethereum price forecast. Digital money specialists are prepared to report their estimate for the ETH cost in October 2022. The base exchanging cost may be $1,773.05, while the most extreme could reach $1,909.18 during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Ethereum may be around $1,858.13. ETH price forecast for November 2022. Crypto experts have really taken a look at the value variances of Ethereum in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal ETH rate they foresee may be around $1,913.88 in November 2022. It can drop to $1,845.81 as a base. The greatest worth may be $1,983.50. December 2022, Ethereum price forecast. Around mid-year 2022, the ETH cost will be exchanged at $1,952.15 by and large. December 2022 could likewise observe an expansion in the Ethereum worth to $2,079.20. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than $1,867.07 in December 2022. Ethereum price prediction 2023. After the examination of the costs of Ethereum in earlier years, it is expected that in 2023, the base cost of Ethereum will be around $2,846.32. The most extreme expected ETH cost might be around $3,410.85. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $2,926.10 in 2023. Ethereum price prediction 2024. In light of the specialized examination by digital currency specialists in regards to the costs of Ethereum, in 2024, ETH is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest costs, about $4,105.02 and $4,852.91, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $4,251.32. Ethereum price prediction 2025. The specialists in the field of cryptographic money have examined the costs of Ethereum and their vacillations during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2025, the base ETH cost could drop to $6,251.28, while its greatest can reach $7,321.09. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $6,421.33. Ethereum price prediction 2026. In light of the examination of the expenses of Ethereum by crypto specialists, the accompanying most extreme and least ETH costs are normal in 2026, $10,600.58 and $8,829.06. By and large, it will be exchanged at $9,150.12. Ethereum price prediction 2027. Crypto specialists are continually investigating the vacillations of Ethereum. In view of their forecasts, the assessed typical ETH cost will be around $13,039.77. It could drop to at least $12,673.